What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Alibaba Group Holdings and looking at Baba stocks. We could see right here that the Baba stocks is, performing very well, and this is definitely very good. It's something really great to see, especially given the fact that a breakout has just happened. If I should move to the daily time frame right here, you could see the Alibaba stock has finally broken out. You could see we got rejected from this resistance right here at $141, and you could see we have been respecting this trend line right here, and we have also retested this resistance once more at $141. We got rejected. We finally broke out after retesting it one more time with a little bit of fake out. We finally broke out. So right now, what should we expect after this major breakout that we've gotten with good rally, or should I say volume too, because you could see this breakout right here was accompanied with a huge rally, so which is definitely something very good to take note of right here. So right now I would say that this is an uptrend, because regarding the fact that we dropped as low as we respected this major support from this fib level at $117, you could see we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and right now we just made a higher high right now. So we could go as we could still go higher than 146. We could still go higher than 146. Maybe find support at $141, because we just broke above this resistance right here. Find support around this level before rallying all the way to 167. 167 seems to be where the major resistance will be. You could see right here that all the way from here we retested this level right here and we got rejected, and we could also say that yes, we could still rally all the way to 179 or $180, because this is definitely where there is a major resistance due to the fib level, which has been providing support and resistance for the Baba stock. And with the look of things right here, once we are able to find support around this level at $165.80, we could still rally much higher, find support right here, and rally all the way even into the $220 level. So this is definitely very good to take note of right here. And looking at the whole headlines right here, something regarding to Alibaba, the Baba stock right here is the Tencent 160 billion AI test gets harder. That is definitely the outline, the headline, and based on what I can see right here, the article first appeared on Guru Focus, and Tencent Holdings Limited, which is TCEHY, which is the ticker for that, is facing a tougher investor test after reporting its slowest revenue growth in 6 quarters, with sales for the 3 months ended March rising 9% to 196.5 billion yuan, or $28.9 billion. The WeChat operator saw weaker domestic game sales, while the later timing of this year's Lunar New Year holiday also weighed on a period that usually supports online entertainment spending. New income rose to 58.1 billion yuan, in line with estimates, but the softer top line growth could intensify questions around how quickly Tencent can turn its AI push into measurable financial upside. And the question if THEHY is fairly valued, test your thesis with the free DCF calculator. So according to the what I can also read right here, I can also see that the bigger issue for investors could be the cost and timing of that AI transition. Tencent has pledged to at least double AI investments to more than 36 billion yuan this year, yet it still trials ByteDance Limited and Alibaba Group Holdings Limited in both user adoption and progress in developing state-of-the-art large language model. Management said its core business continued to grow engagement revenue and profit, giving Tencent the cash flow to fund AI investment and future deployment use cases. Still, the company's Huyuan Foundation model remains under scrutiny after Tencent restructured its AI operations under OpenAI, hire Yao Shunyu with the open source model still behind Moonshot and DeepSeek on areas such as coding and linguistic nuance. So that pressure is already showing in the market. Tencent has lost roughly $160 billion or 23% of its market value this year, outpacing Alibaba's decline as investors shift more attention towards pure play AI model creators such as Zippo and Minimax Group Incorporation. Games remain a mixed story with evergreen titles like Honor of Kings still regenerating cash while some new releases face uneven reception. WeChat remains Tencent's central advantage and possibly its most important AI distribution channel, especially for the future agent tied to ride-hailing and travel bookings, though the company has not yet provided a rollout schedule. So, there are more news out there that you can, read and or whatnot, especially given the fact that Ant Group's profit slide is becoming harder for Alibaba Group Holdings and investors to ignore as the MA-backed fintech continues to pour money into AI across healthcare, large language models and payment services. So, with the look of things right here, at the end of the day, everything that is fueling this rally in the market, stocks as a whole, is definitely the AI. And right now, we could see Trump going to China with the likes of the former CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, and every other big names out there, the big companies, one of the biggest companies, if not the biggest companies in the world out there. So, no one knows the result of this meeting with China, if it is definitely something that will benefit the stockholders or not, or it's going to be more like a sell the news event. So I think we'll definitely be here to find out as things play out. So I'll definitely be here to keep us up to date tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.